Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy out there. Today's video is super interesting. In this video, I am going to show you some lightweight and silver ring designs. I hope you like this video. Friends, please watch till the very end for beautiful collection. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my collection and wish to watch all my latest videos, click the bell icon and choose all notification for more updates. Friends, this video is not a sponsored video. Latest designs by Ruhi is not responsible for any losses. Please comment down which designs you like the most. And please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe